Welcome to my show Trendsetters. I'm in a restaurant where only women can go. So well, that was a really inspirational story of a woman bartender. So let's come back to this restaurant where I have a woman manager. So now next where ma'am? I mean I love the place, all interiors we have seen. It's a sports field, right?
Yeah.
Sports restaurant based. Now other what you have like to go up from where we need to go
Yeah,
up?
please come.
Yeah. So you have a one more
Yeah.
place where we can sit and chit chat.
You can
So-
see our PlayStation. We
Okay,
having
this is a
five-
PlayStation. I would, if you can explain about that. So it's arranged for like you can sit and enjoy and have fun, right?
Yeah. Even
So they have arranged, I'll tell my cameraman, they have arranged a PlayStation for a woman where you can come, sit, enjoy, play also. Chalo, that's, I came to know the idea. It's a PlayStation. So from there, upstairs I would like to explore. You have 2 floors.
yeah, we having two floor. Here sitting 60 covers. And otherwise we having upstairs.
So how we need to go
Yeah,
there?
that side, please
What's the place to go there? So what we will get there? It's a normal sitting area?
Sitting is a sofa side is there. That side in corner.
Okay.
Otherwise we having normal.
So let's follow my camera and we can explore one more place where women can sit and relax.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
this is another place for women. They can
Yeah.
sit and relax. First of all, I love this. I want to focus my camera. She's my favorite lady, Sania Mirza. So I think it's great.
Yeah.
You have given the spark of, sportswoman.
you can see otherwise there is
This other woman,
to the not
yeah, the other country woman, sportswoman. Okay. So next we'll see.
we're having one
This is
selfie
all.
zone. Yes.
Okay, you can have selfies
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Please.
Okay. Wings. Okay,
Yeah.
you can have, these are your wings. A woman always have their wings. You can just have a selfie with your wings. Well, good idea.
Yeah. Please come this
Okay,
side.
so this is all sitting area.
Sunil Shetty is an Indian football captain.
Okay, that's, you have shown
Yeah.
this all.
Yeah, world largest cricket stadium. Yeah.
Okay, the sports history you can see, in their, that field.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is all sitting area. Good.
TV on कर देते हैं एक बार आपसे.
No, that's okay. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
So you can just sit here, you can relax, women can come for any hours, no
Any hours,
restrictions,
no.
no restriction,
No, no.
3 hours, 4 hours.
No restriction.
Okay, so when we sit here, we feel like having food or meal. So you must be having women chefs only
Yeah.
in your kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh wow, so what kind of food will be served here?
Yeah, actually here famous traditional wings. It's it's a bone with bone.
Yeah.
Otherwise we having boneless wings is there.
Okay.
We having 13 sauces, 5 seasoning. You can choose anything in your wings. In your what? Otherwise we having wrap. Normally steak is there. Steak sizzler. Otherwise we having mozzarella. Is a veg.
Okay.
We having burger, pizza.
So many things.
Yeah.
So is your kitchen and where are the women chefs? Let's discover.
Yeah, please come.
So where they are making a delicious food and let's interact with the women chefs also. Well, after getting a right place, you need a right food to eat. So they have a woman chef, great food, great mocktails, cocktails, everything we discover. So let's find out the food. Let's go to
please
the
come.
kitchen and all women chefs are there. Oh wow.
Yeah, जैसे कि please come.
She's the first woman
Yeah.
chef, I must
Please-
say.
Please wearing this cap.
Okay, yeah. So only keep the women's there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So well, we are in a place where all the women chefs work in
Yeah.
this. So let's
Please
discover
come.
the kitchen.
First
So
wearing
before that,
caps, yeah.
So safety and hygiene
Yeah.
is very important, I must say. So I'm wearing a cap. I don't know. मेरा hairstyle क्या? आपका hairstyle तो फिर भी ठीक है.
No.
I think in home also we should wear it
Yeah.
because bal hair is not useful in the food,
Please come.
We should avoid that. So we have to come this way, I think. This way, yeah.
Yeah, please come.
So I think this is the area where all the yummy food they make. So how are you? What's your name?
My name is Kimi. I'm feeling great.
Okay, from where you came?
Mizoram, from Mizoram.
Mizoram. She's from Mizoram. Wow. So you were making very yummy food there only,
Yes.
or you just, what was like your passion?
My passion is like to make it all kinds of food, all types of foods like continental, Pan Asian, Chinese, and like we are making all these things.
So how
American
many
food.
years of experience you have?
Around 12 years.
12 years you were in this industry.
Yes.
Cooking. You are
Yes.
married?
Now we don't.
Okay, you have kids?
Yes.
So they will be very happy to see your yummy food.
Yes.
So when you discover that you can cook and you can go out and become a chef, lady chef, how people accepted that, a great career?
Because I'm mostly in our hometown. I think it everywhere. Everywhere, girls used to like cook. It's our like daily routine. So I want to make it that value to get something benefits from that. So I came and joined hotel industry. I'm becoming chef.
And how you came to Hyderabad?
How I came, I got offer from I got offer in like 5-star. Before that, I worked in Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay, there I worked there, and after that they came to know about me, and I got offer, and then I came here to join.
So how is this woman chef career is for? You love this career and
Yes.
it's how the money wise, timing wise. I want your experience, journey to know about that.
I'm very happy to work here, to work like a chef in the
And
hotel
how the
industry.
timings are?
Timings sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's a bit tiring, but if you enjoy your work, you can tolerate it.
For the chef, you have to stand long hours, right? So how long you stand? Like your highest standing time?
Around 10,
10.
10, 11,
10,
12,
11,
it
12
depends.
hours you stand,
Yes.
you work, you cook.
It depends on the crowd.
So here, what kind of food you're making? What kind of variety of food is available
Yeah,
here?
we are making all wings and pizza, burgers and salad, all those kinds of things. And our specialty is that in wings, in other places you find only one sauce. Here we have 13 sauces and 5 seasonings.
Okay.
You can choose which sauce you want, and then we can make
So
it.
how long you been in Hyderabad?
About around 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
You're loving Hyderabad food. Have you tried Hyderabad food?
Yes.
Really?
Especially biryani.
Biryani. Oh, wow. Have you made that biryani?
Not yet.
Okay, you want to experiment because you are pure continental.
Yes.
So Andhra food have you tried to make as a chef? Because chefs have this always in the mind to try some new things.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So have you tried something new in the era of Andhra, Telangana food?
Not yet, but I'll definitely try it.
But you loved Andhra and Telangana food. Have you
Yes.
tried?
Yes.
What is your favorite dishes?
Shawarma.
Huh? Shawarma. Okay. And desserts?
And desserts,
Telangana and Hyderabad or Andhra dessert you love? Or Hyderabad favorite? You never tasted anywhere? Hmm? No dessert? So wait, what is your favorite dessert then? You
my
love?
favorite dessert is like it's like continental brownie with ice cream.
Brownie.
Yes.
Okay. So your kids will be lucky, you know, that
Yes.
mama is making good cakes, brownie, pizza, burger, what we ordered outside and you make, right? So I just wanted to know, as you are in Hyderabad making others, how people are responding to the food?
Most people loved it. They really loved it. They are happy about it. Like as I said earlier, if you want non-spicy, less spicy, we have that less spicy sauce. If
Okay.
you want more spicy, we have the extra spicy sauce.
Okay.
So according to their choice.
And in this restaurant, you know, so many celebrities also come. Have you met somebody or you want to meet somebody and wanted to make some special pizza or burger? Celebrities or actors. You watched Hindi movies must
Yes,
be.
sure.
Who's your favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Wow. An actress?
Actress Kajol.
Kajol.
Yes.
So if you have to make something for Shah Rukh Khan, what you will make?
I'll make
What dish you will make for him?
it depends on what they choose. I'll make
No, what?
light one.
But he will ask you what the
Okay.
best you make.
The best.
So, हाँ.
Okay.
What best you make?
wings.
Wings. Okay. And for Kajol?
Kajol, same.
Same
Because
wings.
these are specialties.
Okay, that you are expert of.
Yes.
In Telugu, Telugu actor or actress, you know somebody whom you love to serve.
I'm not sure he's Telugu or not. Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu is a Telugu, yeah.
Because I
So,
already served him like 3 years back.
okay, 3 years back, what you did?
At that time, I was in bar.
Okay.
Okay, I have like on the floor,
Okay.
bar, kitchen.
Okay. So
and
there
I
you
have
saw him.
experience. Yes.
Okay. So you served any favorite dish of him?
Yeah.
Mahesh
yeah.
Babu?
Yes.
That time? What was his favorite dish?
Yeah, his favorite dish is that time that ultimate nachos and his drinks is LIT.
Okay, so she knows about the favorite dish of Mahesh Babu. Have you met Allu Arjun sir or
No, not yet.
Junior
I really
NTR?
like to meet him. Allu
So
Arjun.
when they will come and they'll ask you some interesting dishes to make, you never met them? No.
No.
I think Mahesh Babu you met and you know and you told about his favorite drink and favorite snack. I must say, you still remember.
Yes.
That's great. And any actress?
Because
Telugu
he
actress?
enjoyed a lot that
Yeah.
time.
Okay.
That
And-
makes my memorable.
Okay. And Telugu? Any Telugu actor or actress? You have
Telugu
served them.
actress, I think, but I didn't remember her name.
Okay. Telugu actress. Okay.
But I never met them face to face. Only Mahesh Babu. I know.
Okay. You met him.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, great journey. And any message you would like to give all the women there who want to be a woman chef and they want to start their career in this?
Okay, if you want to success, you have to be patient, you have to be hardworking, and whatever you do, give your best, and you will rule the world.
True. True. Great. So I loved it. I mean, you talked about everything. What you're making right now?
Veg pizza.
Wow.
Veg pizza. I'm preparing
So I
veg
would
pizza.
love to take that piece, but I cannot because it's getting ready for me also. I'll definitely taste it and thank you
Okay,
so
I'll make it
much.
ready and you
I'm
can
a
taste it.
vegetarian.
Yes, it's veg. You can have it.
So thank you so much.
Thank
And
you,
next
ma'am.
time we'll do a show with you where you can tell me how to make a good burger and pizza and
Yes.
brownies at home. I think we need that, right?
Sure.
All our kids love that.
Yes.
Thank you. So well, we discovered now women chef, their journeys also, how they're enjoying, their stories also inspirational. So now what next? We have to go out?
Yeah.
So let's go out and end up the end of the things as we had a really great journey. So really we had a great time. I think we need to remove this.
Yeah.
We are out of kitchen now. So we can remove this relaxedly. And thank you so much taking
Thank
to the
you.
tour and best of luck. You're
Thank you
doing a
so
great
much.
job.
Thank you.
Being a leader and managing the women's and making us comfortable. So I think we need anything, we can come here
Yeah,
and
please
relax.
come anytime.
And it's a great thing, I must
Thank
say. So congratulations and
Thank you
keep
so
rocking.
much. Thank you.
So that was a really inspirational and fun tour where you can enjoy. All the women can come and have fun. Well, I'm just reminding one, why all fun will be done by the men, why not the women? Well, it's just a line. So you can come here and enjoy your day. Well, for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.